Greetings from the Binder Off-Road family. This video is a post-installation look at the Barricade Adventure HD front bumper and the Smittybilt XRC Winch. Not doing an installation video because I feel like there's plenty of those type of videos on YouTube, but what you don't really see is a good post-installation look at what this will look like when it's installed. This is the second Smittybilt winch that I've had. The first one that I left on the JK when I got rid of it. So, but it was a good winch, so I bought another one, the exact same thing. It's the XRC winch, the 9,500 pound capacity rating. They say for winch sizing it should be 1.5 times the vehicle weight. If you do the math on the weight of a Wrangler, 9,500 is perfect. There are bigger models available if you feel like you need them, but this should be sufficient for what I'm doing. I did have one issue with this winch. I don't know if you can see it or not, but right there where the cable connects, it was actually cracked when it came out of the box. So I'm about to reach out to the Smittybilt customer support, and we'll see how that goes. I'll update you if it's a good or bad experience, but we'll see. You can see behind the winch, space is very tight. Fortunately for this winch, there's a couple different ways that you can mount the control box, and this way allowed me the most room. I like to keep a cover on my winch, so I need a little bit of space behind there, plus I didn't want that stuff just rubbing on the paint. But it is a very tight fit. And this Barricade Adventure HD bumper actually has the winch recessed a little bit, so sometimes the fit there can be a question. So it's close over here on this side, good on that side. So if you're getting this combination, the Smittybilt winch with the Barricade HD Adventure bumper, is a good fit. They'll work together. Installation's really simple. There are some tight tolerances, tight spaces to get into. The bumper comes with these little plastic pieces to kind of hold things in place while you put them up and get the bolts in. Don't work great, but it may take a few times to get it right, but installation for the winch is really simple too. There are some tight tolerances, especially if you're trying to connect these cables and such once the winch is mounted to the bumper. Cables are just the right length for a Jeep Wrangler to get to the battery. Do yourself a favor, whenever you're running these cables, take your top of your air cleaner, your air filter housing off, just like you're checking it or changing your filter. Loosen this clamp, just remove this, take that bolt out right there, and this whole air cleaner housing will just lift out of there, and it opens this entire space up. It makes it super simple to get these cables up. Make sure and fasten them good to something so they don't get into something they're not supposed to be, and it'll be good. Just kind of one last look around at how it looks post installation. Alright, thanks for watching.